In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert your WEBP file to a PNG, and completely for free. Now what we're going to do is use this site called tinywow.com. Now if you want to check this out, I will link it down in the description. So I have this image just here. If we come onto Inspector, we can see this is a .webp. But I don't want this, I need a .png, so what we're going to do is now convert this. Now once you're on here, if you click Search on the search bar, it's going to bring you to here. Then if we go back to the search bar, just here, and type in WebP to PNG, click Search, it's going to be this one just here. Now all we have to do is take our file and drag it onto the page. It's going to take a few seconds to do its thing. We're going to click Verify that I'm a human, and now that's done. So if we click on Download and Save to Device, then if we open this, then check Inspector, which is just here, we can now see that this is a PNG. So that's just how easy it is to convert your .webp file to a PNG. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.